Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about. The MSI MPG VELOX 100p Airflow Mid-Tower PC case. If you're in the market for the best Airflow PC case, you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive deep into the features and benefits of this fantastic case. Let's kick things off with an overview of the MSI MPG VELOX 100p Airflow. This mid-tower PC case is designed with one primary goal in mind: optimal airflow. It's an Amazon's choice product, and it's no wonder why. With its open mesh front panel and hinged tempered glass side door, this case offers maximum ventilation, keeping your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. The VELOX 100p Airflow boasts a sleek and modern design, and it's built with high-quality materials. The tempered glass side panel not only adds a touch of elegance but also provides a clear view of your internal components. Plus, it's easy to access thanks to the hinged design. One of the standout features of this case is its incredible motherboard compatibility. It can accommodate eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, offering flexibility for various build configurations. You'll have plenty of room to work with. Now, let's talk about cooling performance. The VELOX 100p Airflow comes with 4 pre-installed 120mm case fans and 3 lighting strips, all supported by MSI's Mystic Light software or an onboard controller. But that's not all. Both the front and top panels can house 360mm radiators for liquid cooling, making it a dream for enthusiasts. There's also a 120 by 240mm side vent for alternative cooling options. If you're into showcasing your hardware, this case includes a vertical GPU bracket accessory, allowing you to display your graphics card vertically. It's a fantastic feature for those who want to make their rig stand out. In terms of connectivity, the top I/O panel includes the latest USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C port for blazing fast data transfer speeds. Along with USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, audio jacks, and an ARGB cycling button for system lighting control. Plus, it comes with a 1:6 ARGB LED control board internally, giving you control over your RGB lighting. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, the MSI MPG VELOX 100p Airflow offers incredible value for what it offers. It's currently available on Amazon.co.uk, and there's even a Black Friday deal going on right now, so you can grab it at an even more attractive price. To sum it up, the MSI MPG VELOX 100p Airflow Mid-Tower PC case is undoubtedly one of the best airflow cases on the market. With its outstanding cooling capabilities, spacious interior, and premium features, it's a fantastic choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. That's it for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more in-depth product reviews and tech-related content. If you have any questions or thoughts about this case, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.